Hey, 250? 250, you guys are pulling.
Hey, Jensen! Yeah. If you run out of that bell, let me know. I'll switch out with you.
250! 250! That way, over the compound. Second compound on the right. Hey!
Where are they, Vincent?
Hey, they're still there. Vincent's got eyes on. Wait, hey, give me a distance to rest. Get inside now. Inside.
Go.
Yo, man, let me have a order.
Maine, this is PB Watson. We were just taking accurate IDF. Did you copy that traffic?
Hey! Make sure that fucker doesn't go through the roof.
Go.
Hey, coming up. Coming up.
You got enough guys. Dropping in. All right, good to go. Hey, see that compound right there? 4 meters that way. Right there. Go. Coming up. Come on.
Vito, get the fuck over here. Now.
Hurry up.
Smoke, right?
200 meters, right?
Down!
Get down.
Ready?
Fire!
Oh, there it is. I see it.
You want HE next?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna set the...
Thanks, sir.
Hey, further!
Further out!
At 50.
I got 150 rounds left.
Alright, ready?
Fire!
Get smoke ready. Get some more smoke.
Friendly coming up. Alpha chart in. Come on. Hey,
Let's go.
Get up here. Friendly. You're coming up. Get up. Alpha chart coming down. No problem.
Hey, get another one on it!
Let's go,
Get
let's
another
go.
one on it!
You ready?
Sit up.
Go ahead.
Do it, man.
Fight!
Fire!
And make sure that thing's not falling through the roof, though.
It's not, sir.
How are you shooting at?
It's stable. Hey, this is...
That one?
Hey, we're taking contact that way.
Nah.
Yeah!
That's weird, too.
Oh my God!
Hey!
Hey, we're gonna go shoot another round, alright?
Hey, down.
Alright, load. Half load, bitch. Drop it. Alright, ready? Fire! As you cut off their egress route.
You want to smoke their egress route? Hey, we're down 2 rounds.
Okay, don't come any further right than that. See where the smoke is, don't come any further right than that.
Alright.
Have them get it to the steps and go over and get it. We're not having fucking another person up here fucking unnecessarily.